Grifform Innovations offers a variety of options for integrating ramping sinks with different styles of draining systems, providing you with a customized solution that suits your preference and requirements. With our expertise in quality craftsmanship, we can create the perfect ramping sink that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. The standard drain sink is a circular drain that is commonly used in most sinks. The sink stopper or strainer head rests within the circular drain cutout, offering a simple and practical design. The trench drain sink, on the other hand, features a larger flat cover that conceals the sink drain, giving a sleeker and more modern appearance to your ramping sink. Grifform Innovation offers the slot drain ramping sink also. This is very popular for modern and sleek designs. While this option has a much higher price tag due to technical complexities, it provides a unique and sophisticated look to your custom ramping sink. To get started on integrating a custom ramping sink into your custom Grifform vanity top, head over to our website today and explore our various options and designs.